Hello student, the cross multiplication method second question says 2x plus y equals to 5 equation first and 3x plus 2y equals to 8 is second equations. Solve the pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method. The solutions is the first conditions, the equations 2x plus y convert to standard form, 5 is transferred, then minus 5 equals to 0, then equations is first and second equations convert to standard form, transfer to 8 is positive, then transfer is minus 8 equals to 0, second equation. Similarly, first questions comparing equation first by standard equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, then values of a1 equals to 2, values of b1 equals to 1 and values of c1 equals to minus 5. Similarly, comparing equation second by a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, then values of a2 equals to 3, b2 equals to 2 and c2 equals to minus 8. Now will be a1 upon a2, values of a1 equals to 2 upon values of a2 equals to 3, then values of a1 upon a2 equals to 2 upon 3. Next, b1 upon b2, values of b1 equals to 1 and values of b2 equals to 2, then values of b1 upon b2 equals to 1 upon 2. Then comparing the three conditions, then conditions is a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2, then solutions is unique solution, then equation solutions is unique solution, then solve the equation by using formula. Formula is x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equals to y upon a2 c1 minus a1 c2 equals to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Then formula is cross multiplication formula, then putting the values of a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2, then b1 values is 1 and c2 values is minus 8 minus values of b2 is 2 into values of c1 is minus 5 equals to y upon a2, values of a2 equals to 3 into values of c1 is minus 5 minus values of a1 is 2 into values of C2 is -8, 1 upon values of A1 is 2 and values of B2 is 2 minus values of A2 is 3 and values of B1 is 1. Then putting the values and simplifications of these conditions, -8 multiplied by 1 is -8, minus 5 multiplied by 2 -10 equals to y upon -5 multiplied by 3 -15 minus 8 multiplied by 2 -16 equals to 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 4 minus 3 multiplied by 1 3. Now will be open the bracket -8 minus into minus plus 10 equals to y upon -15 minus plus 16 equals to 1 upon 4 minus 3 x upon plus 10 minus 8 equals to 2 equals to y upon plus 16 minus 15 plus 1 equals to 1 upon 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Now we'll be comparing first step and last conditions. First conditions and last conditions is compare. First condition x upon 2 equals to last conditions is 1 upon 1. Cross multiplication x equals to 2 upon 1 or x equals to 2. The values of x equals to 2. And second condition and last condition is comparing. Second condition is y upon 1, last condition is 1 upon 1. Will be again comparing a cross multiplication. Y equals to 1 upon 1. Now y values is 1. Then the complete solutions of the cross multiplication method by unit solution questions, and the defined as a solutions is this equation pair of linear equations is x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. That is the answer of this